What's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? How is quarantine treating you guys? I know I haven't been on here for a couple days. I did miss Friday's upload. I had family over. I had not seen my family in over a month and a half, and they finally came over. We spent Easter together and it was just, I had such a good time. So I did take some time off to just enjoy them because I hadn't seen them in almost a month and a half, which is crazy. So anyways, for today's video, we are going to be doing my April BOXYCHARM unboxing try-on makeup tutorial. If you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome to my channel. Every single month, I like to take my BOXYCHARM. Mine is empty, that's why I'm like swinging it from hand to hand. Every single month, I take my BOXYCHARM and I show you guys a makeup tutorial using the products that are in the box. That's why my box is empty, because I always like to take a peek in first to see what I got and see what other products I need to pull, like blushes, powders, and things like that. So I'm really excited. This box was actually a good one. I'm actually really happy with the products that I got in my box. So yeah, if you have no idea what BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription box. You pay $25 and you receive 5 full-size or deluxe sample beauty related products. They do also have different kinds of memberships. I have the original one, but they do have Boxy Premium, Boxy Luxe. They have a couple different ones and the prices vary, but also the products vary. So the most expensive box has the most expensive products, but this one retails for $25 and the products in here sometimes are pretty insane. I don't know how BOXYCHARM does it, because you pay $25 and you get like really amazing brands like Benefit, Too Faced. Have we had Too Faced? We might not have Too Faced, but I know Tarte has been in it. Fenty Beauty has been in it. Yeah, pretty crazy. So yeah guys, so that is what we're going to be doing for today's video. I feel very chill. I have been watching a ton of Love Island UK, so we never know. Halfway through the video, I might start talking in British, like in proper English, and it's okay, right? Because that's what we're doing in quarantine. I have watched so much Love Island that it's crazy. That's why I actually did my hair today inspired by Moly. I freaking love her style, so I did my little pigtails inspired by her because I love her hair. Okay, we're completely off topic. Can you tell? I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. Please, if you're new here, don't unsubscribe. I promise you my content is good. Also, I did take off my nails. My nails were going really strong. Okay, quick story. I had Gel X. I've had them on for almost 5 weeks. I was going, yeah, almost 5 weeks at this point. And I just took them off on Easter Sunday. They were going strong. I could have definitely pulled off another week, maybe even 2 weeks, but they were starting to bend, and when a long nail bends, that really hurts. So I decided to give my natural nails a break, and we're bare, but that's okay. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get into the box. As you guys know, before we go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial, I like to kind of do a quick run through all of the products that are in the box. So every single box comes with a little unit carton like this one, and the theme this month is a festival theme, which is so sad that all of the festivals have been postponed. I mean, I don't go to any of them, but it makes me really sad for the people that do go to them. When you open up the unit carton, you have the prices of everything with little descriptions, and then down here you have any extra stuffs. They give you a bunch of coupon codes and stuff that you can use if you like to online shop a lot, which a lot of us are doing during this quarantine, if I may add. The first thing that I see in my unit carton is the Benefit Cosmetics, the POREFESSIONAL. This is the hydrating primer. I actually own this primer, but I still have it in the box. So now I have a second one. I probably gave this to my sister because she has like really dry skin, but this is supposed to be like the POREFESSIONAL but more hydrating. The POREFESSIONAL one is amazing. It fills in all of your pores. So this one is just the hydrating version of it, which I'm really excited to use today. Like I said, I actually own it, but I have never used it. So this retails for $32 Again, you only pay $25, so this is amazing. So next thing, we have the Zoeva eyeshadow palette, and I have seen other influencers unbox their boxes on Instagram, and I have seen this palette, and it is so beautiful. If only I can get mine out of here. What? Why isn't that coming out? Oh my god, my palette is stuck! Alright, so this is what my palette looks like. Again, this is from Zoeva, and this Zoeva, I don't know. And this retails for $28. And this is what the palette looks like on the inside. Really gorgeous, very neutral colors, which I personally love. And I cannot wait to play with this now when I do my eyeshadow. The next thing that I see is the iconic London Illuminator, and this retails for a whopping $41. And mine is in the original shade. I actually don't own any of these, so I'm excited to use this one and put it to the test. All right, next we have the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick, and mine is in the shade Glazed, and this is totally my type of nude. This is like a pinky peachy nude, and this is totally like, this is me in a lipstick. Like, this color is just gorgeous. Maybe a little bit more pinky, but this is beautiful. And like I said, color Glazed, and this retails for $17. So we're also going to be using that today. And then the last thing that was in my box is 3 sheet masks from Moly. I hope I'm saying that right. Moly, Moly, I don't know. And we have 3 different ones. We have a purifying one, illuminating one, and a calming one. So I'm not gonna be trying these today because I'm kind of ready to go, but I will use one of them right before bed, and then I'll put like a little, like, what am I trying to find? Can you tell it's been long that I haven't filmed? I'll put like a little, in the description box. Just check there. I'll put a little note saying if I like it or if I didn't like them, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like them. I love sheet masks. Sheet masks are amazing, and you get 3 of them, and these retail for $9 each. So 9 times 3, 27. I'm going to be using my YSL All Hours concealer, and I'm going to use this on my eyelid just to prime for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into the Zoeva palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Wax Paper, which is this white, and I'm gonna use this to set that concealer into place. Okay, next I'm gonna take the shade Finish Sensual, and I'm gonna put this on my crease as my transition shade. And I'm being super sloppy with this color. I am just pretty much getting this all over the crease. It does not have to be perfect. You can even get a little bit on the lid, to be quite honest. It does not matter. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a mixture of Start Soft and Aftertaste. So Start Soft and Aftertaste, these 2 shades. And I'm going to put this a little bit lower in the crease just to add some warmth to the look. And these are very, very pigmented. So I am just really just running this right here in the outer corner and up towards that crease and inner corner as well. I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and just make sure that the edges are nice and blended. I'm taking Universal Delight. I'm gonna put that all over the eyelid. I'm taking a little bit of Edible Gem, and I am going to put this using a pencil brush right here in the lash line and kind of buffing it up a little bit. And then again, I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and make sure everything is nice and seamless. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the iconic London drops, and I'm going to put a little bit right here in the eyelid, and then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to smooth this over. I'm going to take a little bit of Almost Burned, this shade, the gold shade, with my finger, and I'm gonna press that like right on top, and I'm gonna like blend it up with my finger. Okay, so now I'm taking my Carity liquid liner. This did not come in my box, but I'm gonna do a winged liner, just like a half wing, nothing crazy. So I'm gonna start right here And then I'm just gonna slightly, and then I'm going to slightly bring it in. Like that. And this is just going to make our eyes look more lifted, more elongated, more almond shaped. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and I did my lashes as well. So I did go ahead and do my wing liner, which I just filmed a tutorial on this like last week, I think. That was actually my last video. I'm pretty sure it was. I don't remember now. But I did film a tutorial on how I do my wing. So if you want to go check that out, you definitely can. I'll leave it also up here in the cards. And I also popped on some falsies. These are the Heavenly Looks eyelashes in the style Fairy Tale. They're so pretty, so wispy. And I love how they have like a slight cat eye look. Like they're very short in the front and then they kind of flare out, which I really like. So moving on to the skin, I'm going to go in with the POREFESSIONAL primer that came in our box, and I am just going to pretty much apply this all over my entire face. This actually feels really good on the skin. And now I'm going to go ahead and take the iconic London Illuminator, and I'm just going to put this like on the places where I would normally highlight. Taking a dual fiber brush, I'm just going to blend this into the skin. I'm going to go ahead and move on to foundation. For foundation, I am using my NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. So the liquid illuminator in combination with the POREFESSIONAL gave us this beautiful glow to the skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup because I don't really have anything else from the box other than the lips. So I'm going to quickly do my face routine. I'll leave in the cards the exact routine that I'm going to do. I'm not going to change anything up. Products are still the same, use the same powders, same everything. So I'm going to quickly finish my face and then I will be right back to finish off with the lips. Alrighty guys, so we are ready to go ahead and move on to the lips. So I did go ahead and do the rest of my face. For the under eyes, I took the dark brown that's in the palette. This one, the one that has some glitter in it. Oops. And I put that in the lower lash line, and then yeah, so did my face makeup, very simple, nothing crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and finish off with the lips. I am going to line my lips using the KKW lip liner in Nude 2, and my KKW lip liner is broken, so I have to like wiggle it. Now I'm gonna go in to the lipstick that actually came in the box. This is Glazed by Dose of Colors, and I'm gonna put that in the center. Obviously you can leave it like this. This lip color is everything. It is absolutely gorgeous, but you guys know I'm a gloss girl, so on top of that I'm just gonna go in with the pink gloss. But look at this lip color. Like this is everything. I think this is gonna be my new go-to. Not even kidding, this is so pretty. It's stunning. Okay, but I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of gloss right in the center. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm gonna go back in with my iconic London drops, and I'm gonna do a little bit on the tip of the nose and in the inner corner of the eyes. Alrighty, so this is it guys. This is the finished look. This is everything using this month's BOXYCHARM. Honestly, this box was beautiful, or is beautiful. If you can still get it, definitely go get it. The eyeshadow palette performed incredible. This lipstick is, I'm telling you, where did I just put it? Okay, this is gonna probably be my new go-to. Look at this nude lip. Like this is so pretty. Loved everything, loved the eyes, the skin, the glow drops from Iconic London are so good too. Like my skin, you guys know that I don't like to highlight, but this is so pretty. Like this, I have like a sparkle, not a sparkle, like I have like a glow that's coming in from within because of this, and I absolutely love it. Like, see, look right here, look how pretty that looks, like at the center of my forehead. Like, it just looks really pretty. So yeah, that is it. That is everything. That is going to complete today's video. I will have a link down below for you guys to check out BOXYCHARM. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.